Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to see all apps on your device. This will be on the Onn TV.
Before we continue, here is a quick reminder. If you are browsing on Smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I would highly recommend using a VPN. This is because a VPN helps protect your privacy, it secures your connection and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN because it is fast, reliable and works smoothly on TV devices. In the description of this video, I've added a special link that you should check it out and create an account. That's it, let's continue.
So if you have your Onn TV setup just like mine on the home screen, let's go. So you're going to navigate over to quick settings and then all settings. So you click on all settings, just go down to apps, click on apps, and the first option says see all apps. Click on that option and you're able to navigate through all the downloaded applications on your device as well as the system apps. So coming down to the bottom, if you just click on show system apps, you have a wide array of system apps that you